Hey guys, welcome to my Binance staking tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to go through how to actually stake cryptocurrency on Binance, the pros and cons, how to actually do it, what coins are supported and everything like that. Do check out the links in the description to go through to Binance if you do want to sign up for an account. Also, timestamps will be in the description as well, alongside some other helpful videos. So let's come to the Binance homepage right now. And like I said, that link will be in the description. So click on that one if you want to follow along, or just click on it at the end if you want to go and have a look at some of the FAQs on Binance, because there is actually a Binance Academy as well that you can go and look at and learn more about this. But we're going to come over to finance, and then we're going to come through to Binance Earn. And this is where all the staking products are listed for us. Because this video is specifically about staking coins on Binance, there are a few products that we're not going to touch on in this video. All of the other products are slightly different. They're in the same area though, so it can be slightly confusing, but dual investments, liquid swaps, they're kind of different. Activities are different as well. Fixed savings is also different. BNB Vault and Launch Pool. These are all different types of investments. They do produce returns on your coins though. So you can see right here on Binance that there's actually a couple of different durations that we can choose from. 15, 30, and 60 for this particular coin. Some others have 30, 60, and 90 days duration. That is the amount of time that you actually stake your coins, and they are locked away. So once you are staking your coins, you cannot withdraw them, transfer them, or use them in any way to trade. Lock staking then is suitable for people who really don't need their coins for the duration of the staking period. At the end of the period, you will receive your coins back plus any rewards on top. Those rewards are given to you as an estimated APY, or an estimated annual percentage yield. You can think of it then a little bit like interest, although it isn't. You can use the APY though to compare the yields for different coins and different staking products. It is a little bit like putting your money into a term account in a bank. So you put your money there, they'll give you a higher interest because you can't touch it for a certain period of time. And then after that period, they'll give you access to your cash plus the interest that you earned. Let's go into staking and view more. And this is important because these are the staking products. We have lock staking and DeFi staking, which we'll get onto a bit later. When you go and choose a locked staking product, what they will do is hold your funds of those coins in a crypto wallet and support a proof of stake blockchain. Now, if you want to know how staking works and what proof of stake is, there is a video on that. I will link that in the description for you, like I said. But during the locked period, as you can see here, duration 15, 30, 60, and we can go and expand all of these staking products. Some will have higher durations like 90. All of your coins cannot be traded for that time. And on some occasions, you can actually redeem your coins early, but there will be penalties for doing so on Binance. So if you do want to withdraw your coins early, you will get your coins back, but you probably won't earn any interest whatsoever. So if you chose maybe 60 days and after 10 or 15 days, you had to take your coins out, you probably won't receive any interest whatsoever, but Binance do say that they will give you your initial stake back. So I would suggest that you can be confident of putting your coins on account for the duration that you choose when you actually go through and stake your coins. Another risk here is that the price of your coins will fluctuate during the stake period. So let's say you put some Algorand coins on for 90 days. During that 90 days, the price is obviously going to change, and you may not be able to sell your coins if they are being staked. Another risk of using Binance as well is that because you have to put your coins on the exchange when you are staking them, there is a risk that Binance may be hacked. And if they are hacked, then your coins may be gone. So that is a risk that you have to factor in when you are looking at the APY, or the yield for all of these stakes. Binance supports about 30 coins, as you can see here, and some of the most popular coins to stake are supported. So 1inch is supported, and as we come down, Polkadot is also quite popular, ADA or Cardano and Algorand, certainly popular products to stake. We can also come through and see all 30 that are supported on Binance. Something interesting about Binance though is that you'll see that if you change the staking period to 90 days, most of these products are actually what they call sold out. And you can see that here, sold out or check. So let's go up to a popular product like Algorand. You can see that's sold out. Polkadot, again, 90 days is sold out. And Cardano, 90 days is sold out. This means that even if you have some Polkadot coins, you cannot go and stake them for 90 days because that allocation has already been put over to other people. 60 days as well, 30 days you can, so you can go and stake now. Just look at how many coins that you need to put on. So if you do want to stake coins, you need at least 10 Polkadot coins. And then the APY annual percentage yield here is almost 16%. So just check this and see what it is compared to other products. Before we get into showing you how to actually stake, let's go and see Ethereum staking because this is quite different. So we're going to come back to the Binance Earn page, and then Ethereum 2.0 staking has its own page. So we're going to click on ETH staking, and you can come and read this for yourself. I have videos specifically on Ethereum and what Ethereum 2.0 is. So again, I'll link those in the description if you want to go through and look at them. To very quickly explain though, Ethereum used to be a proof of work blockchain, and they are changing now to a proof of stake blockchain. This means now that you can participate in staking coins in Ethereum, and Ethereum is still between 1.0 and 2.0. It's going to take some time to switch over to Ethereum 2.0, and you can actually see that it may take as long as 2 years. So if you are going to put some Ethereum on account for staking, just be aware that you may have to put it on for a very long time. Now, something that Binance do, which I think is really great, is they tokenize something called BETH or Binance ETH or Binance Ethereum. The ticker for these coins is BETH or BETH. Ethereum give you those BETH coins. So let's say you have some Ethereum and you put them on account and you stake those. They will actually give you in a 1-to-1 ratio BETH coins. And you can go and use those 1-for-1 just like you would Ethereum. So you can trade them, you can withdraw them. You can do many different things with those coins. That is a big positive of using Binance. Now, Binance obviously take a fee for the services that they're providing for you, but to actually stake some Ethereum coins and then have some BETH in a 1-for-1 ratio that you can go and maybe trade with and do some other things with, I think is a big positive. Ethereum staking for Ethereum 2.0 is just a waiting game until the Ethereum 2.0 code really takes over as the main part of the Ethereum network and it fully goes over to a proof of stake blockchain. There are some risks with Ethereum staking though, and we can see that here via this graph actually, which is quite a good visual means of really explaining what is happening. Ethereum want people to stake their coins for the switch over to Ethereum 2.0, but there's a finite amount of coins or rewards. The more people that apply and the more coins that are staked, those rewards are split over more people. And you can see this very clearly here. During the staking period between Ethereum 1.0 and 2.0, if only 500,000 Ethereum coins are staked, then the people staking those coins will get an annual percentage yield of 21.6%, which is certainly a very good amount of interest or rewards that you're getting. The more people that stake their coins, the lower this yield will be though, of course, because those rewards are split over more people. So you can see around 2.5 million ETH, the average percentage yield may be just under 10%. And if about 10 million Ethereum coins are staked, the average percentage yield will be about 5%. And remember, you may have to stake your coins for anywhere around 12 to 18 months. One of the big risks of this is that you really don't know what the APY is going to be by the time you get your coins back. But other than that, a lot of people are staking Ethereum coins. You can go through and stake now. So we're going to come to this. And if you have some Ethereum on account, you can go and press max, or you can go and just enter an amount on here. You can see that once you stake your Ethereum coins, it will distribute to you 100 BETH because it is a 1-for-1 ratio. So how many ever Ethereum coins you stake, it will distribute those for you. You can then just go through and confirm, and it's as simple as that. Now remember, your Ethereum coins will be staked. We'll go through and see the dashboard towards the end, but your Ethereum coins will be staked and then you will get 100 BETH into your account. We're going to come through to DeFi staking before we're actually going to go through and just see how easy it is to stake some coins. So we're going to come down to high risk products. Now, I'm just going to highlight that this is a high risk product. Even Binance are saying this, DeFi staking, and then we can view more right here. And it does support a few coins in DeFi staking. Once more, these are sold out for now, but you can check this at the time you're watching. What is DeFi staking then? Well, Binance offers this, and really most of this is done on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, DeFi stands for decentralized finance. Essentially, people and businesses can use the Ethereum blockchain to trade financial products and also come up with many other projects like dApps or decentralized applications. This is a product offered by Binance. So what Binance are essentially doing is investing these coins with other projects on blockchains. So if there are other projects, other groups that are wanting to come up with some decentralized apps and wanting to use the blockchain and essentially try and make money from it, but they need those coins first for many different reasons, that's essentially what you'll be doing. Giving your money over to Binance, and then Binance go and invest in various DeFi staking products. Any hacks that occur and any coins that are lost are totally your liability. They will not provide any recourse if any other projects are hacked and the coins are disappeared. So just to keep that in mind, but the only one you can do for right now is DAI. So you can come in here and very simply, you can either choose flexible or locked. What's the difference? Flexible will give you a lower percentage yield, but you can take your coins out at any time that you wish. If you choose locked staking, you have no access to your coins. You have to keep them on account for the duration. You can choose 70 or 30 days in this instance. Then you choose how many coins that you want to stake. It will show you down here, the minimum is 100, the maximum for this one anyway is 100,000. You can see the start date, the value date. That's only one day because they do actually renew it every single day. You can see the redemption date right here. 30 days time will obviously be in February. We're starting it in January. It will then estimate the average percentage yield for you at the time that you're entering this. So, just under 9%. And then the estimated interest that you're getting, this will be the amount of coins that you actually receive back after the 30 days period. You can then just come down here. I have read the terms and conditions and agree, and then just go and literally stake your coins. That's all you need to do, and make sure you have those coins on account. Of course, it won't let you do that if you don't have them on account in the first place. I'm now just going to come through back to the staking products that we can see. I'm just going to show you how to do this. So you can come to Binance Earn, come down to staking right here. We're going to see view more. Then we're going to see all of the normal coins that you may be able to stake. We're going to go through to lock staking products right here. We're just going to come down to Polkadot like this, come to stake now, and it's much the same. So the type is locked. Sometimes you might get flexible staking products like I mentioned. Choose your duration here, 60, 90, or 30 days, and then choose the amount that you want to put on to account. So the minimum is 10, so 10 like this you can see, and the maximum 5,000. Now coming up to the stake date, this will be the date that you are performing it for the first time. This changes every day, so the interest period is 1 day rolling over for 30 days. And then you can see the redemption date definitely is a month after the start date. This will show you the annual yield in percentage terms. So you'll be earning 15% annually. Of course, you're only putting your money on for 30 days though. So just to keep that in mind. But anyway, it will tell you how much of the Polkadot coins that you should receive back after the end of your period. Come down to I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then just confirm purchase. What Binance will do now is take those coins directly out of your exchange wallet and put them straight into your Binance Earn staking products account. So let's go through and actually see those. So I'm just going to come up. We're going to come over to the wallet right here. We're going to click on overview, and then we're going to come through to the Binance Earn right here. And any products or coins that you have staked will be in here. You can see your savings, and you just get an overview of what's happening in terms of the interest that you earn and how much you actually have on account. Lock staking is right here. You can see flexible and also locked. It'll all be in here for you, and any Ethereum staking that you are doing, you can go through and see that. All of the other earn products are right here, so you can see everything in one place. All of your interest and all of your earnings that do get remitted to you will be in here as well, so you can see them all, and you can see all of your history. That is staking coins on Binance Earn. Check out the links in the description for way more information about staking. Do subscribe for way more crypto content, and I'll see you in the next one.